Finally, let's style the road network. In the color palette, click the roads color and copy the hex code. Next, click Manage Color Palette and find Motorways and Trunks with the Road Network subtitle. We'll add that in, and we'll paste the color that we just copied over. Now you won't see a big change just yet because we have to change the non-highways to a gray. So to do that, let's click on one of these grays, copy that, click back on our roads color, remove this hex value, and replace it with the gray. Now this gray personally is a little bit too strong for me, so I would actually make this white. I think it's important to remember that even though we're recreating a style, it doesn't have to be exactly the same. We can make changes if we want to. You're definitely open to continue using the gray, but this is just something that I think is important to think about when recreating styles, is that they don't have to be exactly the same, because the style and your application are growing and changing.